The wildfire had swept through the forest like a vengeful god, leaving behind a scar of ash and ruin. Where once vibrant trees reached for the sky, now stood skeletal remains, monuments to the inferno's fury. The air, thick with the acrid smell of smoke, hung heavy with despair. Yet, even in this desolate landscape, a tiny spark of life flickered, a testament to nature's enduring spirit. From the smoky horizon, a lone figure emerged. A sulfur-crested cockatoo, its usually pristine white feathers tinged with gray, surveyed the devastation. Its intelligent eyes, like tiny black beads, scanned the ravaged landscape, searching for something, anything, in the wake of the fire's destruction. This was Coco, and his story was about to unfold.